is your chance to make money by advertising correctly. As an entrepreneur, you need to take into consideration the roles of a professional social media company in order to get your advertising budget worth. Social media is a facet of advertising that cannot be ignored. Before we proceed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That little notification bell will also help you to be always informed about the latest updates from Unisquare Concepts. Social media is a big part of our lives. Gone are the days when social media companies were hired as an afterthought. Social media has become a primary area to focus if the company wants to make money by advertising correctly. Social media marketing campaigns are crucial for a company to achieve its highest level goals. It can be done by a social media marketing company or by a social media executive, depending upon the size of the company. This video describes a few roles of a professional social media company to focus on. We have compiled this information based upon the experience of our professional social media company in India, Unisquare Concepts, producing graphics. When it comes to the question of what process do good digital agencies follow, images or graphics are vitally important, especially to attract the interest of people on social media. It invokes the visual aesthetics of the viewer. In order to make money by advertising correctly, your social media company has to come up with eye-catching, top-quality images for your social media handles. People respond better to images than words. The color palette, lighting, aesthetics, and models should sum up to fulfill the company's visions. The company can pair up with a graphic design agency and a web development agency in order to give the best results. If the graphics are not top-notch, it would result in a bad impression from the people and a loss of potential customers. Content writing. One of the roles of a professional social media company like Unisquare Concepts includes content creation. Your company's social media handles should be brimming with top quality content that viewers would enjoy reading. Communication is key as social media bridges the gap between the company and the consumer. Content writing is another way of making money by advertising correctly. A good social media agency knows the necessary formats and the importance of SEO in content. All the material is polished and proofread before public. The agency might collaborate with a writing services company for preparation of upcoming campaigns and promotions. CRM. Customer service mindset is important when it comes to making money by advertising correctly via social media marketing. With more people than ever engaging in social media, it has become more important to have an in-depth knowledge of mindsets and latest trends in thinking. The social media content has to appeal to the customers in a mental, psychological and emotional level. Holding surveys and forums are vital for this purpose. A social media company should be able to locate deficiencies in CRM and provide solutions. Your social media page is your brand's face. We at Unisquare Concepts believe that the role of a professional social media company lies in making it as effective as possible so that your brand receives the recognition it deserves. SEO. Search engine optimization is a strategy followed by companies to gain visibility on search engines and to gain more search engine traffic. Social media companies know how social media content depends upon SEO to gain top places in search rankings. When it comes to the question of what process do good digital agencies follow, they use SEO strategies in all of your social media content for building brand identity. In order to make money by advertising correctly, social media companies should know how to use the SEO strategy correctly, because misuse of SEO might lead to backlash from the social media community and a black spot on the reputation of the brand. Social media adverts. The field of social media adverts is very different from traditional advertisements like TV, radio, and magazines. It has its own unique set of challenges. The role of professional social media lies in making these adverts user-friendly and making sure they reach the target audience. It is the company's job to be updated with the trends in order to magnify the impact of these adverts. The entire team at Unisquare Concepts works professionally, and we deliver the best results as a professional social media marketing company to our clients. In order to make money by advertising correctly, these are the guidelines every social media agency might have to follow. Getting the full outcome from social media campaign is not easy these days, as the trends change with the blink of an eye. It is so important to stay updated with these changes. A good social media agency knows this. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it further with your friends. Waiting to hear your views in the comment section.